Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. Today, I'll share my stretching routine to help you get into your splits. It may take months to achieve a front split. Remember to listen to your body and don't rush. Try challenge yourself a bit more every day. Let's get started. First, let's start with quads activation for more effective stretching later on. Sit with legs parallel in front of you. Place one yoga block beside the ankle. Lift with pointed foot and cross over the block. Sit up straight, chest lifted, and engage your core when you lift the leg. Make sure your legs are straight and no knee bend is allowed. Let's work on the other side. Next, we will gently warm up the hamstrings with dynamic stretches. Keep sitting up straight, grab the inside of the heel, drop the knee open to the side, and stretch the leg out in front of you. You don't have to get the leg entirely straight. The gentle extension and bend of the legs can quickly warm up the hamstrings. Let's do the other side. Use a psoas located deep inside your core to extend the leg. Avoid using any arm strength to lift the leg up. Now we'll need two blocks to place down on the mat as a support. Stand up with legs hips width distance apart. Fold forward from the hips. Bend one knee at a time while keeping the other one straight. Imagine like you're walking. Let's get down on the runner's lunge with toes tucked behind. We begin bend the knee and stretch. You should feel the stretch all the way from the hip flexor to the quads. Next, we'll untuck the toes behind. Walk the front foot towards the edge of the mat. Get down on the elbow for lizard. Shift side to side to gently open the hips. Hip flexor stretch. Come back up on the lunge with the support of the blocks. Bend the knee and bring the heel to your bump. Press the hips forward. Keep the core in and tuck in your chin. Beware not to emphasize on arching the lower back. Now release the leg, lengthen through the spine, spiral and swing the arm to the back. Grab the back foot. Now we'll shift our weight front and back to stretch out the hamstrings and hip flexors. Flex the front foot and keep the front leg straight as you shift the weight to the back. Dip the hip lower and rotate forward as you shift the weight to the front. Let's slide down to the split by extending the front leg out. Keep the hips squared. It's totally fine if you can't get all the way down to a split. Use the blocks as a support to lift the body up. The key is to keep both legs straight and extended. Let's turn to the other side. Get down on a runner's lunge, toes tucked behind and knees straight. Bend the knee and stretch. Check that your core is engaged. Now on lizard. Walk the front foot towards the edge of the mat. Get down on the elbow. Shift side to side to gently open the hips. Hip flexor stretch. Come back up on the lunge with the support of the blocks. Bend the knee and bring the heel to your bum. Press the hip forward. Remember to keep your core in and chin tucked in. Beware not to emphasize on overarching the lower back. Bring the heel closer to the bump as you hold a stretch. Now release the leg, lengthen through the spine, spiral and swing the arm to the back. Grab the back foot. Now we'll shift our weight front and back to stretch out the hamstrings and hip flexors. Flex the front foot and keep the front leg straight as you shift the weight to the back. Dip the hip lower and rotate forward as you shift the weight to the front. Let's slide down to the split by extending the front leg out. Keep the hips squared. Again, if you can't get all the way down to a split, that's totally fine. Use the blocks to lift the body up. Keep both legs straight and extended. Keep up your good work. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Aura Dance channel. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.